Hello, good morning, guys. We're having another day. So, guys, today, without wasting our time, we are going to start our strategy. So, guys, remember that on this VIX 75 strategy, we are going to discuss about price action, which is top-down analysis. So, it was a before, and this is it after. So, you see, we're having before and we're having after. So on before it was, as you can see, we have published it on April 8th of April, and after it was 12th of April. So let us proceed, guys. So here, guys, I'm going to show you on how I did this analysis about VIX 75. So without wasting our time, guys, remember that we always use some tools to do analysis. So what are we going to do, guys? We are going to remind ourselves of our nature theory. So remember that on the market direction, we are always having two impulsive and the corrective moves, steps of moves. So we're having this the first move, which is impulsive move, then a correction, impulsive. And to the downside, we're always having also impulsive, correction, impulsive to the downside. So the same was at this one. This we are having this impulsive move, then correction, impulsive, correction, impulsive, correction, impulsive, correction, impulsive. So you can see that nature theory, it always applies at the same on the daily chart. So guys, let us proceed here. We are going to proceed. So we are going to start this price action on VIX 75. So from this point, guys, from this point to this point, I have identified this kind of correction. So you see, so here we are having this correction. So you see, it is an impulsive move, then a correction, impulsive, then we were waiting for this correction. It is a bullish flag. It means that continuation to the upside, then boom. It's the same with this one. It is impulsive, correction, impulsive. So after identifying the first leg, we're always looking for the second leg, all right? Okay. So now, guys, remember we're on the daily time frame. Again, from this point, guys, I can identify this kind of pattern, which is a continuation pattern. It is a, we call it bullish flag. So you see, it is a bullish flag. I'm going to tweak this trend line and this trend line. So guys, remember that make sure always you are trying to zoom it in and out so that you can see the big picture. So now I'm trying to zoom in so that you can see it in the big picture. So let us proceed, guys, on the 8 time frame. So on 8 hours time frame, guys, what are we going to do here? We are going to tweak our trend line, guys. Tweak your trend lines like this, again like this, tweak this one, which it is a bullish pattern, bullish flag pattern. It is a continuation. So we are waiting for this breakout here. So let us proceed, guys. We're going to H4. Just make sure you keep it simple and clear, guys. Pick again. Tweak your trend lines there. Tweak it like this, you see. So now, guys, you have identified that we're having this, after this big correction here, we had impulsive move to the upside, then continuation, which is a bullish flag, then boom, we are waiting for this breakout at this point level. So Let us see, guys, how we took this trade. We are going to proceed here. Make sure you zoom in and out, guys. Tweak your trend lines so that you can keep your chart in a good way. So you see. So now we are going to H4 here, guys. So on this time frame, guys, we are going to see what we can't see in a big time frame. The same issue, guys. Make sure you tweak your trend lines. Tweak again here. And tweak your trend line here. It's all about nature theory, guys. Remember, it's all about nature theory. You can go and watch the video about nature theory. It is there, guys. Don't hesitate, guys. Go and watch it. It will be a game changer. I hope from now here, you are 10 steps ahead, 10 steps ahead. So remember, this is always we're having impulsive move, correction, then impulsive move. So this is a nature theory. So always remember, when you understand about this nature theory, you will be able to trade on any market. It doesn't matter. So you see, it's the same like this one. Impulsive, correction, then impulsive, boom. We're waiting for this breakout. All right. So now, what are we going to do, guys? We were waiting for the breakout here. Let me adjust this trend line so that you can see it in a good way. So when you go to H1, guys, is where we take our trade. Remember, don't go far away from this time frame. It's better you stick with a higher time frame so that you can have high probability, rather than go to smaller time frame. As you know that there's a lot of noise there. So I'm going to adjust and zoom in so that I can find the opportunity around here. So remember that, guys, again, when we are having this impulsive move, so we always waiting for the breakout. So remember, after this breakout, we had the first breakout, then a rejection around this level, then the price we are starting to correct. So here you are having another confluence that this price, it has correct again. So what are we going to do, guys? Or we are going to take, okay, all right, we are going to take our trend line like this. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. We are going to take our trend line and draw it from this point to this point. So you can identify that we're having something like this. Again, we had this confluence line. So you see, it gives you confidence to take your trade. So you know that after this impulsive move to the upside, we had this impulsive correction leg, you see, then we are waiting for the impulsive move. So someone could take this trade around this here, which is a risk trade, but it has a big reward. And here we are having reduced risk entry. So around this reduced risk entry, guys, you can see that we are having another confidence. You see, we're having this small bullish flag, then boom to the upside. So you see, let me show you guys here how we are going to take this trade, guys. If we take this trade, the first entry, it could be around here, guys. So which is a risky entry. Then you take profit, could be around here. That is not bad. You see, you are having this risky almost warning. It was it was risk and reward ratio. It is 5:47. This is a good entry, guys. So it was a risky entry, but it has a big reward compared to the reduced risk entry. After identifying this, either this breakout here, you see, after this breakout, this small, after this breakout of small bullish flag, you see. So we always having this first entry, which is this one, which is a risk entry, and then the second entry, it will be here, which is a reduced risk entry. So we always having two types of entries. The first entry is which is risk entry and the reduce risk entry. So you see how you can capitalize within a single trade. So again here, you are having this kind of entry again, the entry here. So you are having the third trade. So you see it is easy like this one. So let us go here, guys. You see, before it was after the breakout here, and the second it was, sorry, before after the breakout, then after the breakout here. So this is how we took this trade, guys. So and how I did this analysis. So make sure, guys, you are watching the video about the nature theory, and make sure you are practicing a lot. Don't forget to leave the comment below any suggestion, guys, so that we can improve our work. And I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, you can join our Telegram channel so that you will be the first one to get the information. I wish you all the best, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be the first one to watch the lesson, guys. I wish you all the best and may God bless you. Thank you.